one of my all-time favourite tractors, and a good looker as well, the MAN AS 440A of 1952. MAN AS 440A, 1952, Nuremberg, Germany. It really does look like the Linz Bulldog. Not surprisingly, the company abbreviated its name to MAN, and this became a familiar brand name in the German tractor market during the 1950s and 1960s. Germany has a long tradition of diesel engine development, and MAN is one of the leading manufacturers. When the AS 440A tractor was introduced in 1952, it was powered by a D9214 series 4-cylinder diesel engine. Most of the German-built tractors during the 1950s were relatively low horsepower models, designed for small acreage family farms. Many of them ran on a part-time basis, but the AS 440A was one of the exceptions. It was a big tractor by contemporary standards, with the engine delivering 29.6 kilowatts or 40 horsepower maximum output at 2,000 revs per minute, and the tractor working in tandem with a full fuel tank weighed just over 2 tons. 2- and 4-wheel drive versions were available, and the specification included a 6-speed gearbox with almost 17 miles per hour available in top gear, or 27 kilometers an hour. Is that slow for a tractor? I would imagine so. MAN tractors are popular with German vintage tractor enthusiasts, and the well-restored model in the photograph includes the optional cab and road lights. The passenger seat on the left-hand fender or mudguard was a popular feature on many tractors used in Europe during the 1950s, and as tractors go, I have to say I think it's quite good looking. Stats: Manufacturer MAN AG, location Nuremberg, Germany, model AS 440A, type general purpose, power unit MAN 4-cylinder diesel engine, output 29.6 kilowatts or 40 horsepower, transmission 6-speed gearbox, weight 4,675 pounds or 2,120 kilograms. Production started in 1952 and lasted till, I have no idea. Comments below.